In general, filters are used in communication system. So definition of filter: a filter is nothing but which reject all unwanted frequency and allow only wanted frequency. So classification of filters. So major classification, there are 5 types of filters: low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter. So this one is band stop filter or band reject filter or band elimination filter, and fifth one is all pass filter. So first one, low pass filter. So low pass filter is nothing but which allow low frequency and reject all other higher frequency component. So this particular type of filter, only one frequency is given. That frequency is named as FC max. The particular filter allow up to FC max signal. So this is idle low pass filter. So in idle low pass filter there is no transition band. So in practical filter we have transition band. So for the particular duration it allow the signal. So next one, high pass filter. High pass filter is nothing but which allow higher frequency and reject all lower frequency component. This is the idle high pass filter. In this frequency also only one frequency is given. It will allow all the frequency higher than that of particular frequency, FC min. And third one is band pass filter. Band pass filter is nothing but which allows certain band of frequency and reject all remaining frequency. So in this type of filter they are given two frequency, cutoff frequency. One is FC min and another one is FC max. This type of filter allow the frequency range between these two frequency signal. In order to form a band pass filter, low pass filter and high pass filter are connected in series. And one more condition, FC of low pass filter is greater than FC of high pass filter. And fourth one, band reject or band stop or band elimination filter. So in this type of filter, certain band of frequency component are rejected, all remaining frequency component are allowed. For example, here also two frequency are given. In between these two frequency it reject the signals, allow the remaining all frequency band. So in order to form a band reject filter, LPF and HPF, low pass filter and high pass filter, are connected in parallel. And one more condition, FC of low pass is less than FC of high pass. And the last one, all pass filter, it allows all frequency signal. This type of filter, gain is always equal to 1 and phase is always equal to minus 90 degree. So conventional method to identify the filter circuit, suppose they are given one network, we need to find which type of filter. So in conventional method is, first we have to find transfer function for this particular function. So here transfer function is nothing but output divided by input. So by using voltage division we get output voltage V naught of t is equal to input voltage into corresponding impedance divided by sum of two impedance. While rearranging this, we get V naught of S divided by V of S equal to 1 by 1 plus SRT. So this is transfer function. So for low frequency put S is equal to 0. So H of S equal to 1. 1 means it allowing the low frequency signal, and when S is equal to 0, that means higher frequency, S equal to infinity, that means higher frequency. H of S is equal to 0, that means reject. So only allowing lower frequency, that filter type is high pass filter. So this is simple circuit, we can easily find the transfer function. If suppose the given circuit is more number of R, L and C terms, finding transfer function is difficult. So in the next lecture we are having some shortcut method to find the types of filter for a complex network. So